Hello and welcome guys to Sonic the Hedgehog, and in this video I got a piece of industrial machinery to show you. So we'll be drilling a well here, and this is the drill for it. So let's have a quick tour around it. So here we have our electrical cabinet, also with the main power switch, emergency stop, and some switchovers. We find this huge motor right here, which is for the hydraulic pump. Here are all your hydraulics. Here's your hydraulic piston to lift the drill up. Here's the control levers. Here you have some other control levers. Here's your accumulation tank. You can also see a hydraulic motor right here, which powers this wheel so the thing can drive around. And you can see these massive hydraulic hoses and this other valve. We find this, which might be for a crane. I suppose that there's a giant chain here, so I presume it will be. We've got a hammer here. That's nifty. Here's the anchor holes. Okay, so this must be for some sort of crane. Looking by the chain there, you can actually see what looks to be the actual drill itself. Yeah, now I get it. So this big metal bar basically lifts up, and that's the drill. This is the hoist motor, which basically moves this chain and moves this thing up and down. And this is the drill motor, and the drill attaches right to here. It looked like a crane at first, but it looks like a crane a bit, doesn't it? But this is the attachment for the drill. And I'm all dirty. This thing is dirty as heck. Look at the amount of hoses here. That's crazy. Look at those hoses. I presume that it is just oversized hoses kind of stuffed in there, but oh my god. And also the anchors are big hydraulic rams which just sit in the ground. So yeah, here's possibly the center plate for the drill. Here's the second ram or piston, which pulls the drill up and down, basically which pulls it up into the air. Here's the drill itself. You can see the drilling bits. You can see the clutch there. Interesting. You've got the second ram for the anchoring. You can see the start stop and the main power switch and all that. On the bottom you can see the electrical outlets, standard three-phase European C-form outlets. If you live in America, you probably kind of don't know these, but here in Europe these are called C-form connectors and are industrial connectors designed for connecting mains power. You can also use them for low voltage to industrial machinery like this. And here you can see the wheel drive mechanism again. You can see this giant hydraulic motor. I think that this way it was lifted to here by a crane. So I believe that this thing is basically very heavy. And we can see here the heavy duty changes compared to my hand. That's nifty. Look at that sprocket down there. Second sprocket up here. Now, here in Czech Republic, these outlets are used normally for three-phase and two-phase power, rarely for one-phase. That's mainly a Czech Republic thing, and also Slovakia and all that, because, like, you know, Czech Republic, here we use, like, these are only used for three-phase or two-phase power, rarely one-phase, because for one-phase you use standard outlets or more industrial versions, but I rarely see a machine with one-phase machine being powered from a industrial C-form outlet. You can see the bearings here and the lubricating point. Yeah, it's a lubricating point. I'm all dirty. Just wipe it in the pans. Nothing is gonna kill that. This is possibly a switchover valve of some sort. Sorry for my burp. Here's our hydraulic pump. Actually, the motor is huge, but look how big the pump is. That's just hilariously tiny. Let's have a quick tour around just to see if, yeah, that's the only single pump. Here's the filter. I don't want to get all dirty because I'm going to school right now, so this is the filter. I have a lot of spare time, so I don't know what to do, so that's why I'm filming. Here's another ram or piston, which is hoisted up by that string. I don't know what that's supposed to do. Here's the main bearing that the drill sits on, and just look at this humongous chain compared to my hand. It's a 2-row chain. The sprockets, oh, the sprockets are very gone. Just have a look at those. Yeah, the sprockets saw quite a harsh life. Anyways, here's the anchor holes drilled, and the well will be drilled somewhere around here. Anyways, hope you like this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.